Hi, my name is Brandy Pope, Mrs. Virginia 2012, and I am so excited to be representing Sona Med Spa. Stress and aging catches up with me just like it does you. Sona Med Spa will help me save time and keep me hair-free. Sona Med Spa has been here in Richmond since 1999. Everyone is there to take care of you, from the front desk to the medically trained professionals. Whether you're a busy mom, work all the time, or just trying to get through school, Sona has hours that will work with your schedule. Check out the amazing specials that Sona has going on right now.
During April, get 40% off your first laser hair removal package and 50% off your second. Plus, you'll get dinner for two at everyone's favorite restaurant, The Melting Pot. That's right, a fondue dinner for two at The Melting Pot. Stop by either Sona location, West End at Innsbrook or South Side on Hall Street near Brandermill, or call 1-866-GET-SONA.
Call 866-GET-SONA right now and tell them Brandy Pope, Mrs. Virginia 2012 sent you. That's 866-GET-SONA.